Very good morning, everybody. Welcome to Pathfinders Algo Trading Room. And I hope all of you are now getting used to algos. Please note every Wednesday and every Friday will be my session. So I'll be taking sessions on Wednesday and Friday. And on Thursday, it will be Ketan. And on Monday, Tuesday and Thursday it will be Nikhil who will be taking. I'll try to bring in as many people as possible here so that you become good with algos here. So an algo is wonderful, guys. One thing that the algo gives and whose power I will show you now is a master stop loss. Other thing that the algo gives you is the position sizing. Your position size becomes very good in algos because you will not deviate from your position sizing. And second, you don't miss opportunities because you can do pre, uh, you know, pre-planned trade on this one. And you can even put your trade even in the night, anytime you want. You can have breakout trades, you can have technical trades, you have option buying trades, you can have option writing trades. So multiple kind of trades you can have in this one. So let's go into it. I'll share my screen now, guys. So let's go into algos. So about just a minute, let me set my screen, see your chats. Any questions you have, you can ask me. ये सेशन लाइव यूट्यूब पे भी होता है. सो इफ यू आर लिसनिंग टू अ रिकॉर्डिंग और बिल्कुल लाइव and if you have any queries you can ask me. I'm Yogeshwar Vashishtha, guys, and this is the algo platform, algo finders, algofinders.com. If you have not yet registered on this, then you can do a free sign up. And with this free sign up, you get access to my sessions here. So let's start. Let's see how are my algos going on. See here in this one. See here I have about booked a 9,385 here. 2,500 I have booked here. I have a 51,000 of profit going on here. 59,000 of profit going on here, minus 362 here, 5,000 profit booked here, 57,000 of profit going on here, 3,000 booked, 4,000 booked, 5,000 booked, 19. These are all algo trades. Let's go to this account now. So I go. We will also be making one strategy today. So live एक strategy भी करेंगे हम लोग इसमें. So let me go here in this one. And look at this account, all algos. I have booked a profit of 34,751 rupees on this. And I have got a running profit of about 1,39,000 here, all algos. Everything is algo. And I'm using master stop losses in this. We will learn today how to use a master stop loss. We learn today how a master stop loss is used, and I'll be using these two strikes here. Then if I go into other accounts, this is another account I have where I have an algo trade going on with a master stop loss, currently giving me a 26,000 rupees of profit here. In this one, I have one more trade going on, running profit of about 23,000 going on here. This account, one more trade going on here. In this, I have a running profit of 64,000 and 30,000 here. And in this account, we will make a strategy now. 2-day strategy, and we'll be making a cat ear on this one. That's what we'll be making, and a regular strangle. That's what we'll be doing. And in this account, if you see, I have a 70,000 rupees of profit going on here. And I have these two strategies, Nifty STBT strangle and a Nifty STBT cat ear. ये दो strategies algo में मैंने यहाँ पे चलाई हुई है. So it is this account that we are looking here, in this account. So if you see here, I have booked a profit of 11,000 rupees already, and I have a running profit of 50,000 rupees here, all algos, rules in this one. And here I have a 45,000 rupees left. And in this also, I have a trade for you today. And the account I'll use to trade with you right now. Yes, guys, I see a lot of people in the class. So all those who are absent and who have not come in the class, जो भी absent है और जो class में नहीं आया है, please write yes in the chat box. If you are absent, please write yes in the chat box. Okay, so Ketan is absent, Ashish is absent. So many people are absent, guys. Thanks for telling me, that you are absent. वरना मैं आपको पढ़ाता रहता और आप तो absent हैं basically. Right, great. So in this account, I have about 2,27,000 rupees. Let's do a simple trade now. In this one here, I already have these trades going on here. Running profit of about 93,000 rupees. And in this one, I am working on a capital of about 31 lakh rupees. That's my capital here, 31 lakh rupees, right here on this. So now, look at this. ये वाला ट्रेड देखते हैं. मार्केट किधर है? मार्केट इज एट 23,566 and this is 23,750. Now let's learn a very simple way to do a STBT trade. STBT you can do every day, every week on a Wednesday on Nifty until finish on Thursday. Very high probability trades here on this. So now if I work on this here, let's look at Nifty. Look at the daily chart. Study, add study. And in this, I add ATR, average true range. Show data window. Because of high volatility, the ATR is now about 300 points. 300 points. That means it can go 150 points up. It can go 150 points down. So that's what I can look at. So if I move here in this, let me remove this. It is currently at about 23,570, 23,550 roughly. 23,550 plus 150. So upper is about 23,700. So I add script and I say Nifty 23,700 call is at 35 rupees. And then I'm looking at a put of, 300 points down from here, 700 minus 300 is 400. So put is 23,400, which is about 23,400. This is a simple trade that we have. If you do individually, you cannot put a master stop loss in this. So I move here in this and I go to Nifty, builder, options, sell 9th January, 23,700, add a position, and I sell a 23,400, add a position. So I have sold here. So this is a 2% return in just, 2 days. It's a 2% return in just 2 days here on this one that I can go into, right? So this is one. Capital required about 2,36,000 rupees. In this, I have a capital of about 2,28,000. So I'm a little less on that. So I'll see if I can do it on live. Otherwise, I will do it on let's say I have a Britannia here. No, I can't remove anything of this. So I'll try to make one. Let's see if we can get it there on Shekha. So what do I do on this? This is my trade. 23,700, 23,400. Now, another thing that I can check out is the open interest of Nifty. Now, this is very powerful. What is the open interest of Nifty? 23,650. Now, this would be a good one. So, ideally, my strike should be 23,650 plus 150, which is 23,800. Minus 300 is 23,500. So Max Payne tells me that I should do roughly about, instead of this, I should do all of 23,700 and I should do a put of about 23,500. So here I took a decision from Max Payne, which is, let me move it, builder, options, sell 9th January, call of 23,700 and a put of, we'll also do a option buy today. 23,500. So we can see here, this is a 2.94%. So this can be a good one to go for. Let's try this. So I move here in this, in my, let's do in this one here. I'll work on this one here. So how do we do that? Move here. We'll do two variations of this. One is build strategy, multi-leg. You can make it with me. Nifty, STBT, ATR, Max Payne, Strangle. Nifty, STBT, ATR, Max Payne, Strangle. And here I go to NSE. choose Nifty, select, choose BTSD, STBT, square of tomorrow at 15:15, right? And here I work on a risk of, what is my potential profit in this? 6,960. So now this is the rule here. When you're doing call writing, you have to work at least on 1.5 times the stop loss, ideally 2 times the stop loss. So here in this, I'm working on a risk of 12,000. Doesn't work on the regular and square off at 15:15, right? So that I stay out of the volatility. You can do it on paper. And here I have NFO option Nifty. Nifty near weekly strike price 23,700. Okay, 23,800. Sorry, 23,800 call, sell, and second is option. This you can do every week. Aarti Industries Nifty near weekly put of 23,500. Select and sell. This is a simple strangle that we have, that we are working on this here. So advance I have done, allow late trading, required margin about 2,40,000 rupees. Main 2% return in just 2 days, brilliant return. Click on save. Deploy, live trading, and deploy. I've deployed this. Now I move here, reset, refresh, restart, and start. So I have this Nifty STBT ATR max pain trade. Everybody clear on this? Any question on this? I can see a lot of people here. Please remember, I will meet you on Wednesday and Friday. 2 दिन में आपको मिलने वाला हूँ algo में. Right? We have done this. Clear? Thursday will be Ketan. Now, another variation of this, which is Mitesh Damania, a brilliant trader, with me for many, many years now. And I copy this strategy. Everything else I'll keep the same. I'll just make it modify and max pain, get here. Get here. Everything else will remain the same. I'll just here give protections to it. Weekly, this was 23,800, 23,750 call by 1x. Here, 23,550 put by 1x. Then near option Nifty, near weekly strike price 23,800 call right 2x 150 and sell, and here NFO option Nifty near weekly put 23,500, 150 sell. This is a very, very powerful strategy that Nitesh had devised many years ago and gives very good profits. Here capital would be about 3 lakh rupees. Just let's double check. 23,750 buy in the money. 23,550 buy in the money. Then here, right, 23,800 call, 23,500 put. यहाँ mistake की गुंजाइश नहीं है. You have to double check your strategies. Rest is fine. I click on save here. Deploy on 1x in live trading. Deploy and subscribe. And we see here, this is the one. Market about 158 point down. So reset, refresh, restart, and start. So you can see here, I have started. This is both have a, so these are very simple ways of moving. Now let's do another very simple one now. What is a simple one? Now this will be very budget friendly for you. If I go here and I look at open interest, I see that Nifty has a max pain at 23,650. So that is the target. If that is the target, that means I can buy call options. So that is the target. So what is a good call option to buy? Let's see. If I move here and I say add script, Nifty call, a very good call option first is 23,500. 23,500, which is for 115 rupees. Other will be 23,400, which is for 183. अभी मुझे बताइए, which one is cheaper? 23,500 or 23,400? Which one is cheaper, guys? Chalo, tell me. Which one is a cheaper one? Think and tell. हैं आप सब मेरे स्टूडेंट जो हैं सोच के बताइए. 23,400. Very good, Nakul. We see where is the time value minimum. Where is the time value minimum on this? And if I see here, 23,500, how much is the money value? Money value is only call option, nothing, no money value. 23,400 has got a money value of 153 rupees. And if I look at 23,300, now look at 23,300. So that is 23,300 call minus 23,553. It has a money value of 253. This is the cheapest. This is the cheapest that I have. So I can either buy this one. This one looks good. Let's buy a 23,300 on, let me go to this account here. And how do we do that? Build strategy, multi-leg, STBT, Nifty 23,300. 300 call buy. NFO, NSC, index, Nifty, select, square of 1515. Now another one that I am pretty sure where the market is not going and which will compensate my time value is a add script, is a put of 23,400, is a put of 23,400, which will compensate for me my time value here. So I'm doing now here two things. I am maximum risk of 5,000 rupees. I'll not take a risk more than this. Here I'll keep a trail. If I'm making a 5,000 rupees of profit, I will lock 2,000 rupees. Live max MTM square off by fixed time 1515 right here. Required margin about, for Nifty it will be very less, but overall if I take about 2 lakh rupees, but if you don't want to do the call right, let's not do a call right, let's keep it very simple. So my risk in this is how much? 287. 287 into 75. My capital is only 21,000 rupees. What is my capital? 21,000 rupees. 22,000 rupees. Allow late trading. And then I am buying option future Nifty weekly call of 23,300. That's what I am buying. And 23,300, why should I buy weekly? I'll buy monthly because there the time decay would be the least. So I click on select. And this will be a buy. The capital will increase a little. So let me make it, let's say about 35,000. Click on save, deploy, 1x, live trading, deploy, subscribe. And here, reset, refresh, restart, and start. When you are buying stocks, buying options, buy with minimum time value. When you are writing options, write with maximum time value. Got it? जब भी आप ऑप्शंस बाय करते हो तो हमेशा टाइम वैल्यू मिनिमम होनी चाहिए और जब भी आप ऑप्शन राइट करते हो तो टाइम वैल्यू मैक्सिमम होनी चाहिए. इज दिस क्लियर टू एवरीबॉडी? Yes. Wednesday will also be a day when I will answer your queries. And you can see algos are magical. Look at my accounts. I'll show you my accounts, all of them, in a market that has gone down. See here. Booked 11,000, running 49,000. All algos. Here in this one, here running a 49,000. And here I have a cat ear going on. Then this account here, if you see here, booked 46800, running 95,000 rupees here. Okay. And we have this 23,300 call already giving me 642 rupees. Then This is Vedant's account, running a profit of 24,000 rupees, all algos. This is Siddhant's account, 27,000 running, all algos. Then the first company account, very small, 3,652 booked. And here, my cash is only 2,41,000. And my big account here, I've already booked a 34,000 and I have a running profit of about 1,38,000 rupees here. So now Vinayak says, how do you decide the master stop loss value? The master stop loss should not be more than 5% of your capital if you are doing stocks or futures. If you are doing a option buying, then the maximum stop loss can be maximum about 20% of the premium value. That's the maximum that I use basically. And when you're doing option writing, then the master stop loss should be minimum one time double that of premium. If the premium is 100 rupees, the master stop loss should be 200 rupees, but it can be as high as 1.5 times to 2 times, so that you can handle the volatility on this. Have I answered you, Vinayak? So we have made these strategies here. Give me your stocks, guys. Let me see what stocks do you have and what kind of algo can you do in them. What stocks do you want to see? Now, Srinivasulu Pikku, 23,400 has less time value. Yes, but it is a little near. 23, 300 will have the highest, we will have the least time value, Srinivas. Samir, what are you doing on the YouTube? I thought you are my student. हमने तो क्रिया भी साथ में करी हुई है. Samir was with me in the last Kriya Yoga class. Okay, guys, one thing very important I wanted to mention. It is now a very good news I have that many of the students who have achieved very good levels are now also our coaches, and you have been listening to Mitesh Damania for almost a year now. And we have launched his first course. First course. He's brilliant in options. This cat here that I just made you, it is one who came up with the ideas and refined it. So Mitesh is an expert in market profile. This is Mitesh Damania. He's an expert in market profile. And we have launched his first course now, which is starting this Saturday. It is a live course, 2 days live market profile masterclass for options trading. Market profile is one of the most powerful strategies that is used for intraday trading with a hit rate as high as almost a 70 to 80%. And in the first 30 minutes, you can know where is the market going now. Just in first 30 minutes, you can know. So this is a 2 days master class, which on this Saturday and Sunday is from 9 in the morning till 1 in the afternoon with lifetime of recordings. And there will be also a replay of the same session in the evening from 7 to 11. And then every Friday, There'll be a lifetime mentoring that you will be a part of. And this is the link to the course. Most of you have already joined it. And those who have missed it, it is day after tomorrow. You can do it. And I'm giving a very special price for people for this first course. You are getting a 75% discount. You heard me right? A 75% discount, those who want to do this course. And you can do this with this link if you pay in this class. Right now, till the time this class is live, you can pay this link and you can get this special price of 5,000 rupees all inclusive. And you can be part of this course. I strongly recommend. I have learned my market profile from Mitesh Tabani. I'll also be sitting into the class. I want to learn it again, revise it again on this one. And anybody who wants to master intraday trading should master the market profile. So those who want to, those who have not yet enrolled, again, an opportunity in this class to get it at a special price of 5,000 rupees. On the site, it is not available. If somebody wants to buy from the site, you have to pay the full price of 20,000 rupees only in and GST on top of that. So that's a special offer I have only for this class. Those who want, they can take it. So I'll just share the link with you here in this. This is the link, and I strongly recommend that you go for it. Great. So I use a lot of market profile, and using that last month for me was magical. Last month, if you see, I booked almost 11 lakh rupees of profit, and I use it a lot in my algos now. You can see each and every of my account is in profit now. You see here, this one. See here. Let's go down here. So that's the account I'm looking at. Last month, I booked a 11 lakh and 13,000 rupees. And I used a lot of these strategies. And I liked it so much, I said this strategy should go to each and every trader. This method should go to each and every trader. And I would strongly recommend that you do it. With that link only, you can go ahead and do it. Those who have not yet enrolled. Let's go back to the, see, this is my returns going on. See, everything will not be profit. You will have loss days also. But like I had 3 loss days, continuous, but then 3 profit days, and today also will be a profit day. Okay, I have people. Yes, guys, what stocks do you want me to see for you? Give me the name of the stocks that you want to see on this here. Just give me a minute. Just open my algo here. What challenges are you facing in algos, guys? Algo में क्या चीज अच्छी जा रही है और क्या चैलेंज आप फेस करते हो? If you can share with me. We have made 2 strategies just now. I will keep them open. See, both of them are giving me money. This STBT ATR Max Pain is giving me as 500 rupees. This is giving me a 356 rupees. Ah, Mr. Pankaj Vashi, great to see you here. My very old traders are there. Let's analyze the market and see what are the opportunities that are there. This is the market. And chart, load chart template. Let's look at the market. Market is, this is the Bollinger Band coming towards the lower part of the Bollinger. So with almost 4 days of shortfall, expect 1 day of short covering. So you might have a market moving up tomorrow, right? Where the max pain is telling around this level here. And if we look at the Bank Nifty is very much oversold. In fact, we can get a good trade in Bank Nifty also. You can look for buying in Bank Nifty, whether it is future, whether it is put right. In fact, a good put right in Bank Nifty right now would be, let's check out, in bank, let's check out here in Bank Nifty. See, there are no weekly expiries anymore. So I think a good put right in Bank Nifty is a 48,000 put right, which is pretty good. If you want to be a little aggressive, you can do 49, but 48 is good. Nifty, Bank Nifty, options, sell a put of 48,000. This is a 1 to 2 days trade. Not a bad trade at all. In fact, for intraday, right now, looking at the markets now, you can even do a 49,000 put right. Even now, 49,000 put right. Market is at 49,671. A good intraday trade. Bank Nifty, 30th Jan, put right of 49,000, which is at 490. Lot size, I can make one here. See, both are making money now. Let's do a build multi-leg. Bank Nifty, 49,000. PE. We are bullish here. Looking at the trend. NSC. And index. Bank Nifty. Nifty Bank. Select. Square of 1515 today. Pure intraday. Risk of maximum 5,000 rupees I'm taking. And anytime I'm making a profit of 3,000 rupees, I'll trade 1,000 live max M2M. And the margin required would be about not more than 2 lakh. Okay, allow late trading. And we are talking about NFO option, Bank Nifty, near monthly put right of 49,000. Select, sell. Oh, it still has 15. So I don't have to have risk of 5,000 की जरूरत नहीं है. I can easily make it 3,000. And on the moment I'm making a 1,500 rupees, I can lock 500. Perfect. Save, right? Deploy 1x live trading. Just a minute, I'll just check. Sell किया ना. कभी भी शक हो तो चेक कर लो, हाँ बराबर है. Deploy 1x, live trading, deploy, subscribe, go here, reset, refresh, restart, and start. See, I have that going on here. This is a wonderful tool, guys. A wonderful tool, Algo. And once you get used to Algo, see, I'm handling how many accounts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 accounts using Algos. रेगुलर में तो कोई चांस ही नहीं है कि मैं इतने अकाउंट एक साथ हैंडल कर सकूं. That's the advantage of Algos. Market is now oversold, so get ready for a little upside. हमेशा तो ना नीचे जाएगा, ऊपर भी तो जाएगा. So look at stocks that are oversold now. So what are oversold stocks now? देख लेते हैं. If I check out here, analytics scans, and let me look at technical scans, MFI scans, and we have MFI below 20. Look at these stocks and check out in these which are fundamentally very sound. For example, I can see here very good trade that you can find in TCS. TCS is oversold now. Look at TCS here. That's how TCS is moving. Deliveries go into this. Oh, this is a wonderful software on. And we can go and look for buying opportunities in TCS. Buying opportunities in TCS. So you can look for, let's look at TCS. 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 This is positive. Market down. This is positive. So look at TCS. Oversold, hugely oversold, coming into a buying zone now. As I'll close the session at 12 o'clock, last 10 minutes for that offer. I've already received 2 payments here, I can see. So, and since this is the last live session I have, so here, and I do it only once. So this is your opportunity. Now, what trade can you take in TCS? एक तो आप सिंपल बाय कर सकते हो. दूसरा जो बहुत अच्छा ट्रेड जो मुझे टीसीएस में दिखेगा, लेट्स लुक एट टीसीएस एंड सी हियर, दिस इज अ गुड ट्रेड. A put, no, ये नहीं है, sorry. TCS. Let's go to TCS and I see this one is pretty good. 3950 put right STBT trade. Tomorrow TCS is, oh, thank you, Rakesh. ये तो बहुत अच्छी न्यूज़ है. So this cannot be a STBT. We can do a result strangle in this one. If you want to do, a TCS trade, sell today, buy tomorrow, then you can do a cat year in TCS. That can be done on this. If I look at TCS, let's look at TCS. Study, add study, ATR, apply, show, data window. So the weekly ATR of TCS is 182 rupees. So very simple trade in TCS. If you want to do it, Let's go here. TCS options. TCS is 4150. Sell two lots. 4150. And sell two lots of about 3,900. That's a nice return that we can look at and then protect it with 1x in 50 put and a call of 3950. This will be 39. Okay. Then this can be, then here I will add just 1 minute, I'm adjusting a position. Yeah, more or less I've adjusted now. So this is a decent trade with about 1,75,000 rupees of profit, where we are, this put will be 3,950. 3,950. And this will be 404. 406. Yep, that's the one. So that is not bad at all. So this can be a good trade to take in TCS if somebody wants to take the trade. This is a good trade in TCS for results. This is a result trade that we can go for on this. Very soon, what I'll be doing on this in the trading ideas, I'm already working on it. In each of them, there will be 5 strategies, not a lot. Like in range breakouts, we have almost 56 strategies. Nobody will do 56. So here I will add top 5 only. Top 5 here in this. Then in technical, you will get top 5. In this also have 12. You will have top 5 here. Similarly, here in the expiry special and event driven, like this, tomorrow's is a event driven strategy. And in event driven, I do not have anything for the moment. So during the time of results, we will also have event driven strategies here, guys. So I'm putting a timer here. This is your last 5 minutes to get this offer. Then it will vanish forever. So that's my timer. And this is also the time when I will answer your queries. A 20,000 product available for 5,000 rupees. And if you don't find value in this, take money back from me. That's how confident I am that it will increase your intraday trading exponentially. And in the first 30 minutes itself, you can put your algo in place. So, queries and questions now, guys. सवाल पूछते रहिए. I see very good attendance coming into this class now. So Monday, Tuesday, this class will be taken by Nikhil. Then Wednesday, me. Thursday, we have Ketan taking the class, and Friday, if I'm available, I will take the class here. Okay, since I don't see any questions, so I'll use the 3 minutes to do some deep breathing. Tomorrow I have a session. So let's use the 3 minutes to do some deep breathing and relax. Okay, guys. I hope you like the session here. And I have one query coming. Okay. What strategy we can apply from result point of view in TCS? Anil, you can do a strangle. A weekly ATR strangle could be a good strategy to apply because then you get the advantage of the Greeks also there. Fine. Great, guys. Thank you very much. All the best. And I'll see you again in one more session. Bye-bye.